In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare in just 5 minutes. Cloudflare is a popular service that many websites use for security, performance, and protection against attacks. However, there may be times when you need to temporarily pause Cloudflare's services for troubleshooting purposes or during a transition to another service. Here's a simple guide to help you through this process. First, let's start by logging into Cloudflare. Head over to the Cloudflare login page. If you usually log in with a Google account, there's no need to type in a separate username and password. Simply click on the option that says Continue with Google. This step is handy for those who want to streamline their sign-in process and maintain all related activities under one account. You'll then see a prompt to choose from your list of Google accounts. Select the account associated with your Cloudflare service, and voila, you're in. Once you've landed on the Cloudflare dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your specific domain. This is crucial as any action you want to undertake regarding Cloudflare services will be specific to each domain you have under your account. Look for your domain in the list and click on it. It will take you straight to your domain's details page. Now that you're in your domain settings, scroll down the page until you come across the Advanced Actions section. It might take a bit of scrolling, but don't rush. You want to make sure you're looking at the right options before making any changes. Once you're in the Advanced Actions area, the next move is to locate the option to pause Cloudflare. Click on the Pause Cloudflare button. This action will temporarily disable Cloudflare's services for your domain. Be aware that while pausing Cloudflare, your website will no longer benefit from its CDN and security features, so it's something you might want to do only when necessary and ideally during a low traffic period for your website. After clicking Pause Cloudflare, a confirmation pop-up will likely appear, asking you to confirm this action. Just click on Pause to execute this change, and there it is, Cloudflare is now paused for your domain. Remember, should you need to reactivate Cloudflare at any point, you will have to go through a similar set of steps to turn the service back on. Ultimately, keeping these steps handy will allow you to have full control over how Cloudflare interacts with your site, giving you the flexibility to customize its operation based on your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tech tips.